What up, guys? This is Pastor Canario again. We're coming up with another video right here. I guess another tutorial or something like that. So we're going to do just a kind of very quick video about animation. We're going to animate this background. uh, so as you can tell right here, the background animates from when I hover. It just goes from left to right. It slides all the background colors. And then in the other box right here on the right, it does also from the right to left, but it's a lot faster. It's just simple. We're going just to do this, just to continue improving those CSS skills. you know yeah, let's start that. If you're interested in this type of videos, like, they're simple, fast and easy, just like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Okay, I'm trying just to post one video every single day. Yeah, the more that we do it, we're going to be doing cool stuff, which is CSS animation, also JavaScript. All right, let's do that. All right, so I got my HTML ready to go. Okay, right here on the body, we're going to do a div, and we're going to do the class main, and then inside over here there's going to be two divs. The first one is going to be by the name box, and we can just organize it really good. And then the second one, this is second one is going to be by the class name also box number 2. Yeah, and we should save that, and you shouldn't see anything. We're going to do our styles right here on the HTML also. Okay, now we're going to start styling. So we're going to do main, and we're going to start with the following: height. It's going to be 100 view height, and then we're going to do display. We're going to do flex. Then we're going to have justify content, and then we're going to have a space between. Okay, and then we have align items. So, we're going to do center. Then we're going to target the box, the first box. So this code right here is supposed to help. Like its flexbox, it will put both of the boxes next to each other. There's going to be a space in between. Okay. All right. We got box. We got width 400 pixels, and then we have the height. It's going to be also 400 pixels, and then we're going to have a background. We have right there. First one is going to be yellow. And let's save that and see what we have right here. Okay, we got our first box, and then let's create the next one. Okay, let's see, box number 2. Same, it's gonna be the same thing. Let's just copy this and then just paste it right there, and then let's change that to 2, and then it's going to be red. Okay, that's what we have right there. So let's save it, and then we should be good to go. Okay, so we got our boxes. All right. Actually, I don't need this space around. Let's see. Let's fix this. Our boxes right here. Actually, I didn't. I did it the space in between. Space around. That's what we need. Okay. Okay, that's a lot better. Cool. Let's go back again. All right. So we got our box one, and our box two. Now let's do our hover for box. So right here we're going to have a background image. Going to do linear. Actually, let me do something right here. I don't want to keep. There's going to be a bunch of colors we're going to be typing. I already have the colors right here, and let me just copy what I have and then just paste it right here. Okay, that's what we have right here. All right, so that's what we need. Now let's save that and see what we have. Okay, cool. All right, now let's just do our animation. Let's see. Call it sliding. By the name of sliding. 2 seconds. It's going to be linear. Infinite. Okay. So now we're going to do our keyframe right there, and the name is sliding. Okay. Right here we're going to do 2 background position. We're going to use 20 view width. Okay. All right. So let's save that and see what we have. Oh, cool. That's working. So let's go back and see. Okay. There was something wrong right here. There was 2 add right there. Let's save that, and now it should work over here. Okay. Right. All right, that's working, and there's no hover in this side on the right side yet, so that's working. Cool. And now for the next one, it's going to be a lot easier too. Since we already have all of this, we're going just to copy all of this part. Actually, we're going to copy all of this to save some time. Copy that, and then we're going to paste it right here. So this is going to be box number 2. We're not changing anything here. It should be the same. The name is sliding. Let's just do sliding 2, and then right here we're going to do a negative. Okay, then we save that, and we should be cool working with that, and that's working. So we do 20, right? If you want to do it a lot faster than this, we can change the value right here. So let's just do 90, right? And that should do it. Okay, we got 20. Oh, I gotta save that. It's going a lot faster. Whoa. Let's see if we can just do it way faster than that. Should we just do 100 and just do 100, 120 maybe? Let's try that. Let's play with some values right there. That's a slow. This is a lot faster now. Okay, cool. All right, guys. If you are, I mean, if you like the video, this video help you out. Just it was just fast and quick, like just subscribe to the channel. So, like I said, I'm trying to post every single day one video. I would like to post more videos, but I work during the day and then I get home. But anyway, so all right, I will see you in the next video. Okay, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.